Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the ninth question in exercise 10.2. In the figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So let's try to recreate this diagram. May not be my neat work, but let's just try to draw it and see. So this is going to be a tangent XY at the point. This is going to be, I'm marking the point of contact as P. There's another tangent X dash Y dash. This point of contact I'm marking as Q. So this is POQ where O is the center. I'm marking another tangent AB. So this is going to be AB. The point of contact here is C. They told us that we are supposed to prove that angle AOB is going to be equal to 90 degree. I'm also going to join the line OC. So since I'm making the joining, I marked it as a dotted line. So now let's list out what is given to us. Given is XY is actually parallel to X dash Y dash. AB is going to be, AB is a tangent to circle at C. Okay. Similarly, XY is tangent to circle at P and X dash Y dash is going to be a tangent to circle at Q. O is the center of the circle. If you don't write it in the given also, that's okay. So now what we need to prove? So we are going to prove that angle AOB should be equal to 90 degree. This is what we need to prove. So let's start with the proof. So we have already joined OC. So you can also list that in the construction section and say join OC. Now let's write the proof. OC is actually perpendicular to AB because we know the property tangent from external point. So tangent perpendicular to radius. I'm only elaborating the reason in this small line. Then this tells you that angle OCA is equal to angle OCB will be equal to 90 degrees. So I'm marking this particular point. So OCA is equal to OCB is equal to 90 degree. I marked that as angle 1. I'm taking up two triangles OPA and triangle OCA. So in these two cases, OP is actually equal to OC because it is the radius of the circle. So they both are going to be equal. And we know that angle OPA is going to be equal to angle OCA is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So because of this reason, they are going to be equal to each other. And we also know that OA is common in both the triangles. So this gives us the statement that triangle OPA is actually congruent to triangle AOC. Now that we have established, we can say that angle AOP will be equal to angle AOC. Let's mark this particular point as equation number 2. So this angle, we are telling us that it is equal to angle AOC by CPCT of our congruency. Similarly, we can actually prove, we can say triangle OQB will be congruent to triangle OBC. Why? Because OQ is going to be perpendicular to OB. Similarly, OC is perpendicular. OB is common to each other. OB and OQ are same. So you don't need to repeat the same statements, but we can understand that whatever we are trying to prove is exactly the same one that we have done before. So we can simply say, similarly, triangle OQB is congruent to triangle OBC, which means that angle OQOB will be actually equal to angle BOC, the CPCT. So I'm marking this particular statement as statement 3. Now that we have to prove is angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So let's take up the statement for line PQ. This is going to be the diameter, right? So the sum of this whole angle should be equal to 180 degree. That means angle BOQ plus angle BOC plus angle COA plus angle AOP will be equal to 180 degrees. I've broken this 180 degrees as angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have just proved that BOQ is equal to BOC. So I'm replacing this time as 2 times BOC. Why? From equation number 3. Similarly, AOP can be replaced as 2 times AOC. So 2 times AOC is going to be equal to 180 degrees. These arrival came from equation number 2 and 3. So I'm placing them for reference here. So this means angle BOC plus angle AOC will be equal to 180 degrees by 2 because I've taken the 2 as common. So that is equal to 90 degrees. Now if you see the diagram, BOC plus AOC is nothing but angle AOB. So angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees and hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 10th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.